JL Curvin, Detroit Free Press. Q, when you came in, you said you had the best coach in the league, the reigning champions. Women have had a presence in this game for a very long time. Could you guys' locker rooms of the past handle a female head coach? And how long do you think it'll be before a woman is the head coach of an NBA franchise?
First, I appreciate you asking that because I was going to say something after your last question about coach. I think locker rooms can absolutely handle it. We're seeing that now with the Spurs and Becky Hammond and other people being implemented. But I just want to take this time to talk about our coach and why I think she's the best. This started about, a month ago or so. We started getting emails about plays and tendencies and stuff we doing. Like, nobody else in the league is doing it. I know this because I'm peers with everybody and I talk to them and I ask them. She does an amazing job of being ready. She come in with cards. She's as prepared as any coach. I done played for Stan Van Gundy, Larry Brown, Mike D'Antoni, Alvin Gentry, some great coaches. She's right up there with any of them. She can coach with any of them. Right now in the league, in any league, NBA, Big Three, whatever you want to call it, Coach Lieberman is the real deal. She knows whatever she needs to know, and she is prepared as anybody, and she makes sure that we're prepared. What you see out there on that court is a product of what she's doing. We go out there and play together because that's the way she coaches and that's the way she has us out there playing. She deserves all the credit for what's going on with us. I mean, obviously we go play, but the way she gets prepared and the way she takes it serious and the way she wants to win, that's always her first thing. We coming out here to win, the way we play. That was what she told us from the start today.